What's up mga Kamanix? Another day, another vlog mga Kamanix. And today mga Kamanix, we are here at my back of our house. So meron tayong construction dito na nagaganap. FYI lang sa mga viewers natin, ano? Last time, since nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic about COVID, hinati na yung church kasi sa Mutong, Upper Mutong. Konti lang yung tao. So yung mga pare naghanap ng place para gawing extension or magiging extension ng simbahan sa Upper Mutong kasi we are part of Upper Mutong. So nung nakita nito yung place namin na maluwag, ayan, sobrang luwag kasi basketball court ko to dati, ayan, nung nakita nila yan, they decided na pwede natin gawing temporary na simbahan. So since then, mga 2 months ago na, every Sunday meron kaming mass dito from 9:30 to 10:30. So since eto naman yung aming bahay, so my father decided to create our own mini church. So ito yung construction natin ngayon. Ayan, kata nyo na, hindi ko na naumpisahan. So naglagay tayo ng poste. So ayan, extension na natin dito. Extension na natin yan dyan. Ito na yung pinaka-altar. Naglagay tayo ng stage. Yan ang stage. Ayan, hinahabol namin ang construction today guys, kasi today Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday na. May masa naman tomorrow morning, so pwede matapos to next week na naman. Of course, kamustahin natin ang ating magaling na karpintero, mason. Toy, kaway ka muna to sa vlog ko sa YouTube. Ang kasama niya, hello. Ayan, si Daddy. Siyempre ang ating architecture designer. Ayun, Toy, sa tingin mo, ilang araw bago matapos? Estimate lang, rough estimate.
Ani, ari yun ko kaning 2 ka Domingo ani mo makaatok na mamyan.
Ayun. So lalagyan natin ng bubong yan. Yung nakikita niyo na yan. For the meantime, kalahati lang. Ito, preparation na lang yan, no? So yun.
One week later.
Hey, what's up mga Kamanix? So since the last time I take a video of the construction is happening here in our house. So ngayon, as you can see guys, today is Sunday, so mayroong mass mamaya. As you can see, ayan, nag-test sila ng puno natin. Okay guys, so we are here outside our house. Ito po yung road going to Upper Mutong, and this is the road going to the corner, yung may gasoline station sa unahan. And yan po, in front of the gasoline station is the clear water refilling station. Yan. So in front of that guys, makikita nyo itong bakanting lupa na may puno. Okay, walking distance na po tayo sa may corner bago dumating yung gasoline station. Kaway ka muna kaya. Ito ko sa inyo, dito yung gasoline station guys. Morningstar gasoline station. Kaway muna, kaway. Kaway sa vlog ko. Okay guys, so dito yung Morningstar gasoline station. As you can see, located here in the corner. So ito malapit sa bahay. And yan yung Clear River water station, refilling station. So from here, you can just walk from here going to the church. By the way, yung SJR is located in this side, going doon. Shout out! Hi. Shout out kay Aljan, guwapo. Shout out! Shout out mo! Wala? Okay, so punta tayo. I'm going to show you guys kung saan yung location ng church. So from there, walking distance na tayo from this side. So konti lang siya, river and vacant lot. Okay, yan. So pinapakita ko na sa inyo saan yung way of going to the church every Sunday. So BCRC is doon sa unahan. So ito lang po, ito yung compound. Kaya tatawag yan, oh. Upper Mutong Extension Chapel Entrance Gate, Holy Mass. Po ay Mansalas Katan Griffith Compound. Ito po yung daan sa loob. So pasok kayo dito. Diretso nyo lang po yan. So dito sa compound, lagi namin siya sinasarado. Sunday lang namin siya binubuksan pagka may mass. This is open for public on Sunday only, or pag meron ng gathering. But this is still a private compound. Diretso lang po kayo. Yan, diretso hanggang dito. Okay. So diretso nyo lang po yan. So Holy Mass, as you can see guys, Holy Mass. This is still a private compound. May iba dito daan. Sa every Sunday binubuksan namin to. So ang location is every here. Dito na po yan. Yan. Okay. So there you go guys. So every Sunday merong mass 9:30 to 10:30. So if you are from here in Upper Mutong Amihan, if you're from Upper Mutong Amihan, just come and visit and join us, kasi dito, at least dito may social distancing talaga dito, kasi nga you can stand here, you can stand over there, you can stand over there, or kahit dyan. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell, and please share this video. And if you want to watch my other videos, just click my profile, then there's a playlist beside the video. Click the playlist, there's a lot of content over there. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.